Rise and grind back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. Alright, in this one we got a 2018 BMW X1 28i. It's an SDRIVE. We're doing motor mount on the passenger side. This one right here. Alright, I already did spark plugs and coil packs. You can check that link out in the description. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you how we're gonna get this done, man. Let's get it.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting.
Alright, first and foremost, we're gonna get it up in the air, get it on the jack stands. Alright, this is what I got going on. Jack stands in place. Both sides. And you see I got my jack on the oil pan. Right below. Just trying to brace the motor so when I take off these bolts for the motor mount, it is braced and it won't go nowhere. So we're gonna go ahead and start. See, we got these bolts in here, these external bolts. That's what we're looking at. Gotta hit these bolts, get them out. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and go with the E12 and extension. Alright, we got all three of those loose. I'm gonna pull those out, and it's gonna be a tight spot, man, I can tell you that much. Alright, so this is what I did. I dropped it, lowered the motor, got a gap in between there. Alright, let's start on the other bolts. Alright, we got that bolt out. That's a 14 mil. And that one should be the same down there. Get down in there. Alright. Alright, I got that bolt out. And now I'm trying to get it through. Can't get it through anywhere. So I'm looking at this brace here. Look up under here. Look like we'll be able to take this off. So that's what I'm gonna work on. Alright, these two bolts. 10 mil. Move this out the way. Pulled it over, up and over that. Gotta get that one. Alright, we got that out. Now should be these Torx bolts here. Alright, we got those out. They T30. So next we got this 10 mil. Thought I was ready, but that right there, get it with that wrench. Just when you think you're done, got another bolt. Right, it's like one here on that side that I took out already, and then it's another one. I don't know if you can see it, but it's up under there. But it seems like you might have to take out the headlight just to gain access to all of this shit. So what I did, I took that T30 out, right there, just so I can get some wiggle room. That's that bolt right there. Now, I'm pretty sure it's another procedure to do this, man, but this is what I'm doing. I took that windshield wiper little connector, got that out the way, And I'm trying to come through here, man. All right, let me show you what I got going on. I think I'm gonna get it out. I think it's gonna come out through there. So I got it all the way up through here. Either way, I might be able to get it through here. But I know this headlight is in the way, so I don't know if that has to be removed or not. Bent that back, that windshield wiper bracket. Just pulling that up, man. Bending it up, get it up out of there. And we got it out, man. That's what it looked like. That thing broke. Nice crack. No crack. We're gonna take this notch off right here and put it on the new one. Set it in there just like that, like you putting it in position. You don't want to turn it upside down or anything like that. Just squeeze it through there. And we got it through there. All right, once we get those two bolts in there, we want to go ahead and lift the motor up and raise it up. Go ahead and raise it up, line those bolt holes up and put the bolts in. Don't forget, you can shake the motor back and forth so you can line the bolts up. And we in there. Alright, that's gonna be it, man. Hope the video helped out. Until next time, Pull Up King.